In this video, we're going to go over how to connect a line between two endpoints of your choice. So what we have to do, we first need to go over a little bit of the theory behind a line. So we know that the equation of a line is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Now, I know there's like three different forms of the equation of a line. This is the one we're going to use for this though, because this is, if we have 2 points, we can come up with the slope, and from there we can use that to create the equation of the line. Now remember that m is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So it's going to get a little bit tedious, but we're basically going to take this and plug it right into there and just put all of that into Desmos at one time. So let's start with the 2 points that we need. So I'm going to go ahead and trace the graph. So I have 1.84 as the x coordinate, and we're going to the end point here, and then 0.413 as the y coordinate. And then from there, let's go ahead and use 1.8 for the other coordinate, or other point, and then 2.676. So basically, we just have to pick 1 point and put that right into Desmos. So we can go y minus, and I'll pick the bottom point, 2.676 equals m. Well, m is going to be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So it looks crazy, but it should make a lot of sense. And then we're going to have x minus x1. And then our domain restriction, the restriction we're going to use, we could use either the x or the y values. Since it's a little more of a vertical shaped line, we're a little better off going with the y value. So I'm going to go ahead and use the y value. So I'm going to go the lower y value, which is 0.413, less than or equal to y, less than or equal to 2.676. So in theory, if I put this into Desmos, I'm going to get a line, a perfect line from this end to that end, exactly running along there and stopping right there. So let's go ahead and put all this in. So y minus 2.676 is equal to 2.676 minus 0.413 divided by, I'm sure there's an easier way to do this, I just need to try it, minus 1.84, and then x minus 1.8. So you can see there's the perfect line right there, and we're going to cut it off based upon the y values. Oops, excellent, got rid of that. So much easier to do this on a computer. So let's get the braces here, and our y values that we're going to be doing this based on. Let me see what's going on here. There we go. I got the y values right there, so I might as well use those. 0.413 less than or equal to y is less than or equal to, now I forgot the other y value, 2.676. I just need to remember that number. Much easier on a computer and using paper. But anyways, right there you could see, I'd probably want a little more to the left here if I'm being extremely picky. And you can even see up here, it'd be nice if it was a little bit further to the left. I do need to cut off that green there in the future. But there you go. That gives us that perfect line between there, and I would do the same thing on this side to go ahead and get that left half of that helmet there, or left side of the helmet.